Hello everyone, so if you want to fix the issue of invisible WhatsApp notifications on your Redmi Note 13, so first of all, open up your control panel by swiping down from the top of the screen, swipe down again and locate your do not disturb mode. So here it is, make sure that it's turned off, like I have it turned off. So now let's find our WhatsApp application, hold it and tap on the information icon. Here, make sure that your notifications, open up notifications, make sure that your show notifications tab is turned on, that this option is on. If it's off, simply tap on the switch, turn it on back. Now, let's go back. If the problem is still persistent, open up your app info and find your clear data. Tap on your clear data, press clear cache, press OK, and now if that still didn't help, open up your settings, find your About Phone tab, make sure that you have the latest update, open up your Play Store right here, search for WhatsApp. Alright, so as you see, we've got some update. Press update because sometimes we need that in order to the application to function normally, right? Because sometimes updates are causing bugs and sometimes they're fixing the bugs. So it's better to be and to use the to up the day version. Now in your settings, scroll down to your more connectivity options. Scroll down to your reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth and press reset settings. Confirm your PIN if you have one. Press OK. And now try to use your WhatsApp. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.